Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for tuning in. Definitely hit that subscribe button because I come in every week with new tutorials. And if you are back with me today, thanks so much for coming back. Definitely give this a like. Alright, so I am here today with a short little tutorial on how to do this cow design. I saw it on Instagram and I thought it was so cute, and I definitely wanted to try it out and share it with you guys. So today I am using my alpha brush in the size number 12. This white acrylic you see me using here is from Mia's Secret. It is the, honestly, I can't even remember what it's called, but I definitely showed it to you guys in the video a little bit earlier. But I think it's called, like, I don't know, ultra white or something, French 3D. I'm gonna let you guys just watch this video, but I definitely show you guys everything that I'm using in this tutorial. Anything that I did not show in the video, I probably don't know where I got it from. Probably was a gift. I got it from my local beauty supply, something like that. But I hope you guys enjoy. I am checking out of this video. I'm just gonna let you guys watch. Leave me a comment below with any ideas or any suggestions you guys have for my next video. I should be posting another video within the next 2 days. But have a wonderful day, night, afternoon, whatever time it is on your side, guys. I love you. Until next time. Later.